Okay guys, may i-repair tayong higher LED TV guys. 43 inches ito guys. Yan ang problem niya guys, nagbe-vertical bar lines. Walang picture siya guys. So ito guys, ito yung kanyang tikon guys. Ito naman yung kabila niya guys, yung may problem guys. Ito yung gate signals niya guys. So ito yung model niya guys. Yan, H43S80 EUX yan guys. So ito guys, nag-repair tayo yung guys at naglagay tayo dito guys ng tape. Yan guys. Okay na guys. Yan, normal yung kanyang picture. Yan guys, higher. Okay guys, Google TV Play ito guys. So yan guys, yung ginawa natin guys, ano na tayo guys. Nag-blocking lang tayo guys. Okay guys, salamat sa panonood guys. At ito guys, merong linya guys kasi may tama yung taas niya guys.